Look, whenever the guys at the range start debating terminal ballistics and true stopping power, almost everybody instantly pictures a long gun. You know the drill. They immediately start talking about an AR platform or a stamped AK. But let me tell you something from years of running drills and studying self-defense applications. That line of thinking completely ignores a very specific breed of wheel guns. We are looking at hand cannons engineered with such sheer structural integrity that they do not just rival your standard intermediate rifle cartridges, they absolutely blow them out of the water when it comes to kinetic energy transfer. Forget the old-school snub nose your grandfather kept in his nightstand. These are heavy-duty, purpose-built weapon systems, crafted to handle chamber pressures that would turn lesser metals into shrapnel. We are talking about throwing enough lead to anchor an angry Cape buffalo, or punch right through heavy winter clothing, auto glass, and vehicle doors without altering trajectory. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of extreme ballistic performance, where a revolver sitting cleanly in an outside-the-waistband holster packs more devastating force than a scoped hunting rifle. There is zero compromise here, just overwhelming, reliable kinetic energy. Colt Anaconda. Let us kick things off with a massive piece of American history, the legendary Colt Anaconda. Colt did not just resurrect their famous snake gun lineage here, they completely overhauled it to meet modern tactical and hunting standards. Commanding a retail price of around $1,500, this is not a budget piece for plinking tin cans on a Sunday. This is a premium defensive and hunting tool for the serious marksman. The factory completely redesigned the frame, utilizing a beefed-up stainless steel I-frame architecture. It is an absolute tank of a firearm, machined with gorgeous precision, and it eats .44 Magnum like absolute candy, running a standard 240-grain hollow point. This beast pushes that projectile out of the muzzle at roughly 1,280 feet per second, generating a bone-crushing 740 foot-pounds of energy. If you find yourself deep in the backcountry with a hostile apex predator charging, or you need to stop a vehicular threat dead in its tracks, this is the energy you want on your side. That 6-inch barrel provides the perfect balance, giving you a long enough sight radius for precision hits while maximizing powder burn. Plus, that full-length underlug adds crucial front-end weight to tame muzzle flip, while fully shrouding the ejector rod for maximum durability. Pulling the trigger on a full-house .44 Magnum out of this gun is an experience. It marries that classic heavy metal soul with surgical modern engineering. Nighthawk Custom Korth NXS. All right, let us pivot from raw American steel to elite European craftsmanship. Meet the Nighthawk Custom Korth NXS. If you want to know what a blank check revolver looks like, this is it. Born from maniacal German engineering at Korth, and imported by the absolute masters over at Nighthawk Custom, you are looking at a $5,100 investment. But the moment you hold it, you understand where every single dollar went. This is arguably the most technologically advanced wheel gun on the planet. Chambered in the versatile .357 Magnum, the frame is treated with a diamond-like carbon finish, known as DLC, providing armor-level resistance against holster wear, sweat, and carbon fouling. The cold hammer-forged stainless barrel is capable of stacking rounds in a 2-inch circle at 50 yards. And here is the tactical advantage. It holds 8 rounds of Magnum firepower. That is a massive 33% capacity upgrade over your standard 6-shooter, making it highly viable for serious defensive carry. The 4-inch barrel clears leather lightning fast, while the 44-ounce overall weight acts like a sponge for heavy recoil. But the crown jewel is the trigger mechanism. Korth utilizes a proprietary roller bearing system that feels like it defies friction. The single action snaps perfectly at 3 pounds, and the double action pull is so buttery smooth it makes rapid target engagement effortless. This is not just a firearm. It is a masterclass in mechanical perfection. Taurus Raging Hunter 460. Moving on to a platform that screams pure aggression. The Taurus Raging Hunter in .460 Smith & Wesson Magnum. Do not let the price tag fool you. At roughly $1,269, this Brazilian-forged monster offers insane ballistic value. This is a dedicated, optics-ready hunting platform disguised as a handgun. Let us look at the raw ballistics. When you launch a 200-grain projectile down that massive 10.5-inch barrel, it breaks the sound barrier effortlessly, traveling at 2,330 feet per second. That yields an earth-shattering 2,400 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. To give you a frame of reference, that drastically overpowers your grandpa's trusty 30-30 lever-action deer rifle, and you are holding it in a package weighing just 4 pounds and 7 ounces. To keep this handheld artillery from breaking your wrist, Taurus engineered a factory-tuned dual-stage muzzle brake that vents expanding gases and cuts felt recoil by a solid 30%. But as a defensive instructor, my favorite feature is the multi-caliber versatility. The cylinder will safely digest .460 Magnum, the punishing .454 Casull, and standard pressure .45 Colt. You essentially get 3 entirely different threat response levels in one single weapon system.
Colt Python. Now, we have to pay our respects to the undisputed king of revolver aesthetics, the iconic Colt Python. When experienced shooters sit around discussing the pinnacle of trigger refinement, the Python is always the benchmark. Sitting at around $1,500, you are paying for an heirloom quality piece that has never truly been matched by another factory. .357 Magnum, with a 6-inch barrel, it slings a proven 125-grain jacketed hollow point at 1,450 feet per second, delivering around 580 foot-pounds of threat-stopping energy. Sure, those numbers might seem tame compared to the behemoths we just looked at, but the Python's true lethality lies in its unmatched shootability. That signature ventilated rib keeps heat mirage away from your sight picture during rapid fire, while acting as a perfect sighting plane. Colt tunes the lockwork directly at the factory, resulting in a single-action brake that sits right at 4.5 pounds of crisp perfection. It balances perfectly in the hand, recoils straight back, and puts rounds exactly where your front sight is resting. It is the ultimate professional sidearm. Ruger Super Red Hawk Alaskan next. Let us talk about deep wilderness survival gear. When you are humping through thick brush in brown bear territory, your sidearm is not a backup plan. It is your primary life insurance policy. That is the exact mission profile of the Ruger Super Red Hawk Alaskan. Priced right around $1,569, this is a snub-nosed juggernaut built to deliver immediate, catastrophic trauma at contact distances. Chambered in the violent .454 Casull, it features a compact 2.5-inch barrel, sending a heavy 250-grain hard-cast lead bullet at 1,225 feet per second, generating over 1,460 foot-pounds of immediate stopping power. If a 1,000-pound grizzly is closing the distance at 30 miles an hour, this gun has the penetrative capabilities to shatter heavy bone and reach vital organs. Firing this weapon is a violent event. The muzzle blast creates a blinding fireball and a physical shockwave, but Ruger smartly integrated a Hogue Tamer rubber grip that features an internal recoil cushion, saving the web of your hand from taking the full brunt of the recoil impulse. Coupled with fully adjustable sights for precise zeroing, this is the definitive tool for worst-case scenario animal defense. Freedom Arms Model 83. Let us step up into the absolute zenith of custom craftsmanship. The Freedom Arms Model 83. If you want the most meticulously assembled, precision-driven revolver crafted on American soil, look no further. With a commanding price of $2,994, you are buying a functional work of art capable of performing like a match-grade rifle. Chambered in .454 Casull, this specific configuration uses a 4.75-inch barrel. It flings a massive 300-grain projectile at 1,625 feet per second, yielding a devastating 1,750 foot-pounds of energy. But raw power takes a back seat to its mechanical accuracy. I am talking about consistent sub-2-inch groupings at 50 yards every single time you press the trigger. That level of performance requires obsessive attention to detail. Hand-stoned internals, incredibly tight cylinder gaps, and perfect rotational timing. The lockup is tighter than a bank vault door. Freedom Arms does not mass-produce anything. They craft lifetime firearms for marksmen who refuse to accept mechanical error. Magnum Research, BFR. Now, let us get into the truly absurd. The Magnum Research BFR, which absolutely stands for exactly what you are thinking. Biggest, finest revolver. starting around $1,300. This platform abandons traditional pistol calibers entirely and steps confidently into the realm of full-sized battle rifle ammunition. This particular beast is chambered for the legendary 4570 Government, a cartridge originally designed in the late 19th century to drop American bison. Out of this handgun, it propels a massive 405-grain bullet at 1,330 feet per second, delivering nearly 1,590 foot-pounds of destructive energy into the target. To handle those extreme internal pressures, Magnum Research mills the frame out of massive blocks of solid stainless steel, creating a structural rigidity that is practically bomb-proof. From a defensive standpoint, the psychological deterrent alone is massive. When you swing out a cylinder that looks like it belongs on an artillery piece, the fight is usually over before it begins. Smith & Wesson, Model 500. And that brings us to the apex predator, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the handgun world, the Smith & Wesson Model 500. Priced at $1,569, this weapon was engineered for one singular purpose: to achieve maximum ballistic dominance in a portable package. Firing the exclusive 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum, it pushes a 350-grain slug at a blistering 1,975 feet per second, generating a mind-numbing 3,030 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. Let me make that crystal clear. That is more terminal energy than a .30-06 fired from a long gun, except you are shooting it one-handed if you have to. To prevent this hand cannon from self-destructing, Smith & Wesson had to invent an entirely new reinforced architecture known as the X-frame, utilizing specialized heat-treated metallurgy just to contain the blast. They also integrated a massive compensator directly into the barrel assembly to fight the severe muzzle rise. Stand anywhere near this gun on the firing line, and the concussion will literally rattle your teeth. Yet, despite the chaotic power, it remains a highly accurate precision instrument capable of taking down any land mammal walking the earth today. These 8 platforms represent the pinnacle of modern ballistic engineering. They offer way more than just impressive velocities on a chronograph. They provide the armed citizen and the backcountry explorer with absolute, undeniable authority, and a distinct tactical advantage that a standard carbine sometimes just cannot deliver. So, let me throw this back to you guys. If you had to trust your life to just one of these absolute powerhouses, which one is making it into your loadout? Drop your pick down in the comments below. And as always, if you appreciate this deep dive into self-defense ballistics, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the algorithm knows you mean business. We have got a lot of heavy-hitting content coming down the pipeline. Stay tuned, because next time around we are analyzing the most catastrophic hunting cartridges ever engineered, including a few rounds that are considered absolutely excessive for civilian applications. You will not want to miss it.